Hey guys, this is a W-lite LED floodlight. This is an outdoor 10 watt power light with a motion sensor. You can see it here that and all the qualities is presented here. This is IP65 waterproof, and some of the features are listed here. That says LED, and then how much hours, UV, there's no rays. Let me open this package. So this comes in a good packing, and here like there is one thank you card, instruction sheet, and the light itself. This is a thank you card from W-lite, and here is all that codes for the Facebook link, and then inside it says like a 2-year warranty and 3 months money back for any problems by mail or Facebook. So the details are here, and email and Facebook links are provided. This is the use and care guide. It's in English. Outside says how to install, and then all the functions of this light. And if you open this one, it's actually Chinese inside. So here like this is the protective sheet. This is the light itself. Let me just clean a bit. Light itself. So this is a 10 watt light. In the back you can see this is the motion sensor. This is the cable. It's a thick cable, 3-pin socket to get into the light directly. This is the turning to adjust the motion sensor. The back is the handle for the light itself. Just trying to set it up. Actually the motion sensor should come up, but I'm just trying to show you once like the light is up, and the handle in the back. So here you can see all the details. This is a cool white light. These are the 3 sockets I will show you later on. This is to adjust the settings. So the one is for day and night, the other is for time, and other is for the sensor that you can adjust. So you can see it here. You have to turn it, like if you want this light to be on only in the night or the whole day, or what time you want, like 2 seconds to 40 or 80 seconds or whatever the time it is. I'm not clear, I need to see in the manual. And then for the sensor, like what distance for the motion sensor you want it to be activated. So the knobs are pretty small, but yeah, once you adjust it, I don't think you need to adjust it again and again. So I will make some settings and then show it to you later on in the second part. So this is the motion sensor, and this is the socket switching. As I said, I will just put this socket into the electricity and then show you the brightness of the light. Right now I'm just putting it this way so that I can show the light properly. So here the light is bright. Actually it is also turning my autofocus a little bit less. You can see on the floor the light. This is a 10 watt light, and of course I'm now setting it up. So I'm putting some settings here. The handles. So this is actually I actually make some changes. I'm putting it to the all day. So here it is night, but I'm just turn it to the all day, some time, and some off for the sensing, so that I can show you it working. So here I'm just putting this on the floor, and now the motion sensor is on the top. So this is actually the right one, so you can put that in the back on the wherever the base or the pillar or pole you want it to be with the hooks. The screws are not provided, you can use your own. So now you can see when I activate it, after 2 or 4 seconds it is closing down on its own, the light. And when I put my hands nearby, it just wake up. So it will go back to close back again.